Welcome back, guys. Another way you can make money is you publishing your storybook or your comic book. The popular platform to do that is Amazon, of course. So you could come to Amazon KDP. So you need an Amazon KDP training. So I would still search for Black Tech Academy, but this time around, I'll show you where you could take the Amazon course for free, KDP course, and all you have to do is to come to a platform like this to take your KDP course. So you're going to come to Bilal Tech Academy right here, which is www.bilaltechacademy.com. So here you're going to search for Amazon KDP. Just search for Amazon KDP right here. So I'm going to come right here to search for Amazon KDP. Of course, it's free. So search for Amazon KDP. So let's see. So you see low content self-publishing here, and all you have to do is to take the course right here. So this is the course right here. So you take this right away to learn about Amazon KDP publishing. So after you've learned about Amazon KDP publishing, you come to amazon.com, you learn everything that has to do with publishing on Amazon. Then you can come to Amazon website to check different comic books that are being created on Amazon. So it is a platform where you could sell your book, and not just selling your books, because your comic book could be printed for people that needs the hardcover or printed copies, and that's one advantage you have again. So you could search for comic books on Amazon. So simply I'll just search for comic books. Yeah. So let's see if we have anything like that. As you could see, there are a lot of comic books right here, and it works. So you could see absolutes, you could see different comic books right here. You have Urban Monster, One Out of the Unknown and Into the Cities, Monster Road Trip. So there is a comic book. This is another comic book right here, and you have yours as well. So you could see different comic books right now. They are all here. So you see another comic book right away. So this is something you could actually take serious and start creating comic books. So this is an anime style. Currently we did a rotoscoping style. So here you could see your comic book, and you could see the length. The length is about 320 pages. So you create something longer, then you come sell on Amazon KDP. You use Amazon KDP to list your book on Amazon, and once you have it listed, you can see how that goes. Once you learn the ropes of creating comic books and having to publish them, you can come publish them right here, and that way you get to earn from creating comic books and using your animation skill to earn. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.